Pakinggan natin tong kalokohan ni Sandro Marcos. Parang aibag din ni Sandro Marcos kapal-kapal. So pakinggan natin tong kabubuhan nito si Sandro Marcos. Tingin ko si Sandro Marcos huling hagdan na lang ng politika itong Congress. Hindi na to aakyat sa senador. Maagang nabulok, maagang naging Trillanes. Pakinggan natin. In-interview to kanina Daming kadukuhan itong pinagsasabi.
Well, katulad po sa sinabi ng ating Pangulo ay nung nagpirmahan na sa impeachment complaint ay tinanong ko siya kung ano bang advice niya. And tama naman yung sinabi niya. He said, do your duty as a congressman and uphold
ka sa
your
pagpirma.
Constitution that you swore to protect. And it is my constitutional duty to
naman
go
niya.
through the impeachment process
Duty
as an elected representative. Now, as to why I was the first one to sign, alangan naman kung sasabihin ng tao na gusto nilang huhukayin yung lolo mo at itapon yung katawan sa West Philippine Sea. Sasabihin niya gusto niyang patayin ang Pangulo at ang First
Tapos
Lady
disyerto,
na aking
pakain sa kamil.
at gusto niyang patayin ang Speaker. Ba't naman
Matay
nagugulat
ba?
ng tao na pipirma ako dyan? You know, these are statements that
Hindi mo
can't be
kaya
taken
mo
lightly,
undugin,
especially from someone with such a high position. So, nagtataka na nga ako kung bakit nagulat yung tao.
Nagtataka ka pa sa mga pinagagawa niyo, kababuyan sa gobyerno.
Of course, I'll be the first one to sign. That should come as no
Papamura tuloy.
surprise. So that's why I was the first one to sign.
Tangina,
As to the allegation
pupulburin ka
that I
rin.
was the one who
Bal na to.
spearheaded the movement for the fourth complaint, katulad sa sinabi ng Pangulo, I think people give me too much credit. I was
puro
given the
dahilan mo, yung
opportunity
tatay
to
mo,
sign,
yung saring bangag.
and I did sign, but I did not
Numero uno.
spearhead any movement, or I did not try to convince anyone to sign. I think they did that on their own volition. I did ask what their opinions were, and if they
Para ka
were
nang
going to
si
sign or not. But,
Martin na rin sa
that's about
kabuhayahan.
as far as it- you know, that's about as far
Yung pinagagawa mo, Charis,
my involvement in collecting the
aga mo na bulok.
Overwhelming yung numbers po, sir. More than the required
Wala
numbers.
na.
Well, the required was 1/3, umabot ng 215. As of today, I heard nasa
Suklam-suklam na
245
ngayon,
tayo.
naging kamukha mo si Charis. Tapos ganyan pa yung naging asal mo, wala na.
They signified their intention, yung mga wala sa bansa, may sakit. So 215 was within the complaint.
Malaki-laking pera yan, ginamit nyo dyan sa mga perma-perma na yan.
In terms of
Pera
putting
naman
it on
namin yan.
record,
Hayop ka.
I believe there was an additional 30
Alam mo,
that wanted to signify their intent. So nagpadala ng isig, but even if it won't be counted in the complaint,
ay,
I believe
nako,
for archiving
Charis.
purposes, nasa 2. So I believe
Inaantok ako
80%
sa
of the
pinagagawa mo.
Sir, sa press conference ni VP Sara kanina, sabi niya, wala daw siyang sinasabing assassination threat against your response.
Sinungaling yan.
Masasabi ko.
I think we
I
know the
think-
truth to that. So
I
let's leave
think-
it at that.
Is it true na may involved na money kaya marami pong pumirma?
Ay, nadali mo dudong.
Meron
Sa pool ka.
naibigay na pera dun sa
Huwag ka tatanggi.
pirma ng mga
No,
congressman?
I think that's just part of the
Ano?
news ng mga DDS.
Oh,
Part
DDS
of
na naman
the
yung
campaign nila to discredit the movement.
pinangganuhan mo.
You can't blame them Alam naman natin kung sino ang amo nila.
Oh, sino nga mo?
But no, there was nothing offered in exchange for the signatures.
Sigurado mo tuloy,
I was there in the room. Pinag-uusapan talaga ang articles of impeachment. And then people were given the choice to
Joke
sign or
lang.
not. But whether there was any exchange
Joke
or
lang,
any
pangit,
monetary offer or any sinasabi nila may akap or AKX na kapalit, walang ganun.
Ano wala eh, binuko na nga kayo ni Magalong.
As of today. I'm sorry. Medyo hindi nila
Pinapaniwalaan namin, si Magalong ikaw. Si Sandro Marcos, ano na siya? Ano?
That's their
Kung magsinungaling siya, ano na eh.
Pinabaliwala nila ang ang opinion
Likod na siya ng
ng
katawan ni
145 mambabatas
Tambalos-los eh.
at ang mga iba't ibang grupo na sa
Isip na
tingin
ito.
sa tingin nila kailangan may impeach at
Agang nabulok.
that's their choice. If they don't want to give it importance, then let them not give it importance. But given the numbers, to us, it's important.
How about in the Senate, sir? June na nila itatackle?
Well, there is.
Oh, wag ka na mag-comment. Hindi mo na problema yung Senate dyan.
That said the impeachment
Tanang
court
buhay
cannot
mo, hindi ka
proceed
makatungtong doon.
until there is session. There are other lawyers who say that because the impeachment court is independent of the legislative
Mabuti alam mo,
body, it can proceed as soon as possible.
wag niyong kukulayan ng Senado kaya dyan tayo talaga magkahagulo.
I don't want to comment.
Yan, tapos na pala, yawa, piste ha. Patalastas pa, pustang ina. Mapi.